Elon Musk explains the current shocking situation of Shiba Inu Coin. Elon Musk may be second-guessing his $44 billion offer to buy the entirety of Twitter, but the future of the acquisition is pretty much out of his hands at this point. Just days after Musk tweeted that the buyout was temporarily on hold, Twitter submitted a new SEC filing reminding Musk that he really can't walk away at this point. Today we're going to talk all about why Shiba Inu Coin is the real winner of Elon Musk's Twitter drama. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 28th of May, shall we? Shiba Inu price analysis has revealed a bearish market. Moreover, the market's volatility appears to follow a decreasing trend, making Shiba Inu's price less vulnerable to volatility fluctuations. As a result, the upper limit of the Bollinger's Band is present at 1,878 hundred millionths of a dollar, which serves as the strongest resistance for Shib. Conversely, the lower limit of the Bollinger's Band exists at 792 hundred millionths of a dollar, which acts as the strongest support for Shib. The Shib USD price appears to cross under the curve of the moving average, signifying a bearish movement. On the other hand, the price seems to follow a downward activity, showing a constantly decreasing market. Finally, the price has been trying to break the support once again, which will cause a breakout in the market. The market dynamic will be shifted in the bull's favor and prove to be a silver lining. Shiba Inu price analysis reveals the relative strength index score of 33, signifying a devalued cryptocurrency. Furthermore, the RSI falls in the undervalued region, therefore following a linear approach signals constant characteristics and represents the selling activity equaling the buying activity, causing the RSI score to remain dormant. Shiba Inu price analysis reveals the market to have entered a complete bearish movement, showing room for future depreciation of Shiba Inu. Furthermore, the bears currently dominate the market and are likely to maintain it. As a result, the market offers massive room for further declining activity, which could destabilize Shib and lose more value. However, since the market might break soon, we can assume that the bulls will take care of the market soon. Now let's get back to the topic. Musk has in recent days caused much confusion by claiming a buyout at a lower price than the $54.20 per share was still possible. This isn't actually true though, as Twitter would like Musk to remember he's already agreed to pay full price. Backing out now would command a $1 billion fee for Musk. Despite this legal obligation, or perhaps because of it, Musk has spent the last few days holding back absolutely no chaos on Twitter. Perhaps he simply doesn't want to buy the company anymore. Not for $44 billion at least. Musk's emotional attachment to his 11-figure bid has been fraught from the start. His intentions with the takeover have always been muddled. He claimed the pursuit of personal profits didn't factor into his decision, for example, choosing instead to focus his efforts on various annoyances he had with the social network. The acquisition has somehow only grown more tiring to follow since the Twitter board agreed to the deal. Musk has been spending his days questioning his soon-to-be company on its own social network, even going so far as to reply to CEO Parag Agrawal with a poop emoji. Musk now seems to be holding nothing back on Twitter. He's having a major crisis of faith, based in what else? The number of bots populating the platform, even claiming he won't go through with the deal until he has a better idea of how many fake accounts exist on the site. But the bots are one of the reasons Musk wanted to buy Twitter in the first place, so he could be the hero that weeded them out. So there's that. Today, Musk also called upon the SEC, the very organization he spent years railing against, about the bot issue. As you might expect from Musk, there's no good reason for his sudden fixation on bots and spam accounts. He's now claiming Twitter's admitted 5% rate of fake and spam accounts is entirely inaccurate. He estimates it to be closer to 20%. Where he found that number is unclear. It seems likely that Musk is putting on this performance because he does not want to spend $44 billion on Twitter anymore. One need look no further than his promise to defeat the bots when he first announced his takeover bid. The man loves to leave his promises in the dust. Now let's talk about how Elon Musk's Twitter deal is boosting Shiba Inu. This news might seem tangential, especially if you're unfamiliar with the history between Elon Musk and dog-themed cryptos. Surprisingly though, that history runs deep. Shiba Inu often benefits when any positive Musk news comes to light. In early 2021, Elon Musk became an advocate for Dogecoin, Last spring, the billionaire tweeted numerous times about Doge as its price surged to new highs. Meanwhile, the crypto experts began to wise up to Musk's influence over assets. Data shows the CEO even had the ability to send Bitcoin prices higher or lower with his tweets. Of course, this influence extends to other cryptos as well. That much was apparent from Musk's Saturday Night Live appearance, which ended up sending Doge prices sinking. When other pup coins started cropping up, they too began to move on Musk's social media pumps. Shiba Inu, the second largest pup coin, has also been gaining on Elon Musk's Shiba Inu tweets since the summer of last year. When Musk tweeted about his own real-life dog, the token was put on course towards an all-time high. Of course, this fell apart when Musk admitted he didn't actually own any Shib. Regardless of his ownership status, though, Musk has proven to be highly effective at pumping Shiba Inu prices, and investors certainly won't be mad as long as it results in gains. Now, with the news of the Twitter acquisition, coins like Shib and Doge are posting higher trading volumes and trending across the social media landscape. Musk may wield even greater influence over Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. He has repeatedly expressed his affection for the token. Ahead of his May 8th appearance as host of Saturday Night Live, its price shot up. Then it tanked, perhaps because Musk joked about Dogecoin being a hustle, perhaps because speculators thought they were selling at the cryptocurrency's peak, or perhaps just because Shib moves in mysterious ways. But if ordinary investors start losing their savings after claiming to have fallen under Musk's spell, lawmakers will raise an alarm. And whatever action might follow could make it harder for Americans to trade crypto and discourage crypto businesses from operating in the United States. We all know Elon Musk loves Shiba Inu-based coins, and if Tesla accepts Shib as a payment method, it will explode Shib to 1 cent. Musk's recent behavior might have been disruptive to crypto exchanges, but is it market manipulation? That's unclear. Musk is not the first celebrity to tweet celebratory and forward-looking statements about crypto, said Yankan Guo, a partner at Goldstein & McClinton who specializes in securities law related to cryptocurrency. Unlike other social media influencers and celebrities that have gotten in trouble with the SEC, Musk was not paid by any of these token projects to boost up the price. He might not be the only one moving markets via social media, remember GameStop? But even if these actions aren't illegal, they are drawing scrutiny from regulators and Congress. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!